Okay, thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up and like the video as well. I really appreciate it. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing, and this is of an HP laptop. The model number is 15-DY4013DX. I'll put the model number in the description as well. But this is a touchscreen laptop. It's 15-6 inch touchscreen laptop. It has an Intel Core i5 processor, 256 gigs of solid state drive, the hard drive, 12 gigs of RAM, and it has a Windows 11 Home in S mode. I am going to be doing a separate video of how to, get that S mode out and just be regular Windows 11, and that'll be on a separate video later on. So don't forget to subscribe and click on the button to get notified when I post the new videos. So let's see what comes inside this one here. Okay. This is just so you can see how the packaging looks like when you open it, and then you just put everything out. And that's everything from the box. So let's see what they put inside. So they give you a small, for technical support if you want to do that for HP. And they give you also like important product information as well. I'll go ahead and open it later on to see what's inside. And then here's a charger for the laptop. Comes in two pieces. One plugs in there, and then this one goes straight to the wall. So you can see how the laptop is packaged for protection. And then here you can see the laptop itself. So let me get it out of the plastic. Okay, so you can see there. So you can appreciate the laptop, how it looks like. It has two USBs, and that's where you plug in to charge. See the back part as well. And here it has an HDMI, and that's the USB Type-C, and then for memory cards as well, SD memory card, and then you can plug in the headset as well, or headphones. Okay, kind of let you see how the color is. Gray or silver, the base, and then a black bezel around, as you can see there. So it's very light, very cool. And like I said before, I am going to be doing a video of how to get a laptop or a computer, it could be any Windows computer, out of Windows S mode. So it could be regular Windows 11 Home in this case. And that'll be on a separate video. But thanks for checking out the video. If you have any questions, comments, go ahead and leave them in the comment section, and I'll try to get back to them as soon as I can. Thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, like I said before. And don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much.